Hey everyone, I'm Vin, all the way here from Scotland, and today I am proudly here to present WeWatch because every small action lies the way to big climatic solutions. Well, before starting, I want to ask you a main question. What difference can you spot among the two groups? Well, interestingly, the group on the left represents 99.98% of young people from across the globe, while the group of the same age represents around 0.02% of young people who are the change makers. And that's me, a computer science graduate who's highly driven but often feel lost and helpless to take the right climatic action. I wanted to know if I'm the only one who felt like this. So I did a small survey and realized around 86.79% of young students and people felt the same way. This is a pool size of 53 people ranging from the age from 17 to 28, mainly based in UK and are of various genders. The problem was vital. When I asked them that why do they lack taking the right actions, here are a few things that I found out. Young people felt powerless. I often heard, what difference can I make? Or even if they overcome this, there's a lack of clarity. Where do they can even start? There's no dedicated platform for it. And last but not the least is this fear of acting alone. Is there anyone else other than me or with me who can help me out when I start? So in order to solve this, today I'm proudly presenting WeWatch. WeWatch connects real-time local data, which includes climatic data from the live weather API, genomic data coming from the satellite imaging data from NASA, as well as the policy and the live media data in order to understand the policy landscape. Connected with very simplified AI insights that convert all of those complex data into very meaningful insights so that the right action is taken. And thirdly, integrating action threads, connecting communities, like-minded individuals to take the right action at the right time. WeWatch is an AI-powered platform that simply make climate action immediate and personal. So with that said, because every small action lies the way to climate solution, let's jump into a live demo to see how WeWatch really works. In the landing screen, first you're gonna start with entering your name. Once you put in your name, you're gonna put up your location. Now, as soon as you put in your location, WeWatch go across all of the live APIs. Start fetching the data in the real time. At the start, it's gonna take, let's say, around 25 seconds to get all of that data sorted, connected, and be in the right form. As you're talking, it's connecting all those data points, getting the data from NASA live API as well, simplifying all of those complex satellite images, keeping a track of everything that is going around and across all those data sets. Not just this, it's also fetching all of the live news and the mainstream media data from your location, simplifying it, creating all the insights, and then using classification to categorizing it into various subdivisions so that it could be simplified. And as of now, we can see at the very top, there is this critical environment issue dashboard, where it's going to keep on looking to all of the data nearby. Luckily, me being in Glasgow, one of a wonderful city, do not have any of the critical threat right now. But let's say if you would be in a city in Somalia, it would see through all the insights and show any of the potential threat that can come now, but maybe in future, right here. While we can see all of the weather and air quality index along with small AI insights with forecasts as well. And the most interesting part is this simplified interactive globe, which has been made by fetching all of the live data from NASA APIs, which includes the air quality index, the cloud coverage to the genomic subdivision of each longitude and latitude. All of this data has been further passed at inference to produce and keep an eye on any of the change. For example, if we will see that the ocean current suddenly start changing this direction from left to right, and it's going to impact you. Here, WeWatch is going to put that as a warning in your critical environmental issue dashboard. While you can see a number of matrices, you can zoom in, go down, select any location, or come back to your own location and see the things. While on the right, we can see the local climatic news. Here, there's no recent local environment news that is found on Glasgow. So if there would be anything, it's going to show me. And it's refreshing in every hour. So all of this data is being getting tracked and being saved in every hour to make the futuristic predictions as well. Now, when we go to Action Drive, this just simplifies all of those big problems into small action insights. So you can actually go and join someone else's activity that they're planning. For example, the drought resistant community garden workshop. Maybe I would like to go and join them. Or I can create my own activity. It could be as simple as a cleanup, tree planting, awareness, research, advocacy, or anything that you like. Now, these suggestions are dynamic as well. So if I'm in Glasgow showing me all of this, if you would be on another part of the world where there would be another critical challenges, it's going to show those as the top of your drive. I can invite people, I can put in the requirements, and get more hands connected to make the right action. Though, here is EcoPal. Now, EcoPal is a smart integrated bot that have the data exactly of my location. So I can ask specific questions. For example, what are the main climatic risks at Glasgow? And it's going to give me exact insights what is going on and in here. Now, what differentiates us is that EcoPal knows the location in and out. Look into all of the concerns of temperature, weather, satellite data, genomic data, policy changes that may be put by the UK government, maybe by the local council. It have all the data points of your local council as well, currently supporting more than 23 countries. Now, if I want to learn something new, this is Learning Bot. Now, Learning Bot is a random learning bot, which every day refresh and provide the content in a very simplified manner, adding up amazing facts and a small summary of a complex environment phenomena. For example, today we can see the greenhouse effect, and it's simplified in such a beautiful way. Not just this, it's going to create some of the visuals for better understanding and some of interesting interactive games that we can go through and try. For example, a greenhouse quiz. Let's see how much do I know. It's going to see, give explanation if I get wrong, and also help me to learn better, and a lot more. So, another example of a game is an ocean cleanup game where I can go forward and clean the ocean for me, and much more. Again, all of these games are again created by Gemini itself, so all of them are dynamic and are going to change as per the effect. So, there's a lot of things that you can go forward with. I can further share my progress with my friends. So, this is my friends WeWatch for you. Now, if you want to go into see how it has been made, the whole repository has been put open source. So please feel free to go through the repository. I tried adding as much comments as possible to make it super easy and super viable to use. All of the project is based on React, so super easy to run, completely serverless. All of these APIs are completely free, so anyone can bring in their APIs in the local version. Just don't forget to put in your environment variable and run this project. It's going to take less than 5 minutes for anyone to download it on their local machine and run it. Further on, you can also use one of the hosted versions that I put online. So thank you so much. Let's aim to make this world a better place for all the young people and do some real climate actions. Thanks.